How to change birthday year on Snapchat after limit. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to change your birthday on Snapchat after limit. Now open Snapchat app, go to profile, go to settings, go to birthday. So as you can see now, it says choose carefully. You can only change your birthday a limited number of times. If I tap on this section, now my own is not limited. I can be able now to change my own. As you can see now, if I tap on this continue, now it will allow me to change my own. But if you can't change your own, all you have to do, go back, scroll to down under the setting, scroll to down and tap on this help center. In this help center, scroll to down, as you can see now, tap on this contact us. In this section, go and choose, here is this option, as you can see now, this one, choose this one. I need help, this one, as you can see now, here it is now, I need help with a Snapchat picture, choose this one. Scroll to down again. So in you scroll to down, tap on this settings, choose settings in this option. After you choose settings, now choose this other. So from there now, it will allow you now to send a request to Snapchat center, then they will attend to you. So here it says scroll to down. So in this section now, type in your username of Snapchat and type in your email address and describe your problem. Describe your problem that you can't change your username on your birthday on Snapchat. After you finish all this information, tap on the submit button. Then from there, you can wait for like 2 to 3 days. Snapchat will reach out to you and solve your problem. That's it, guys, on how to solve or how to change Snapchat year on Snapchat after limits. Please like and subscribe.